Welcome to Mishna study Masachet Sheviit Perek Bet Mishnah Het. In this Mishnah, we're going to speak about two other items. We're going to speak about fool, right? Egyptian fool, Egyptian beans, specifically that are used for planting, right? So you're not harvesting these, you're not collecting them to eat. You're actually using them for seeds to plant them, to replant them. So we'll see how the halakha differs over here. And hummus. Rambam explains this Mishnah when he speaks about ha'afunim and gamlonim. He translates it in Arabic as hummus. Right, so it's hummus beans, chickpeas. That's what we're going to speak about. Rabbi Shimon HaShizuri Omer, Kol HaMisri, right, Egyptian beans. Shezira'o zera mitahila, that you planted it specifically, right, to plant. You wanted to use these as seeds. You're not eating them. You want to use them so you could replant them. Kayotze bahem, similar to last Mishnah. Right, last Mishnah, like we said before, that it goes according to sheishrishu when they take root in the ground. Rabbi Shimon Omer, what does Rabbi Shimon say? Ha'afunim hagamlonim kayotze bahem. When it comes to also chickpeas, Rambam says hummus, right? It's similar to those, right? That's also same idea, right? Those are also kayotze bahem. Rabbi Azar Omer ha'afunim hagamlonim mishitirmelu lifnei Rosh Hashanah. Now, it says when it comes to the chickpeas, it goes according if they mishitirmelu, if they where Rambam explains this from the shin of turmel, right? Turmel is they used to use this back then. This would be the actual pouch that they would the shepherds would carry, and they would carry things in there, right? They would hang it around their neck. Ironically, or not ironically, I mean modern day Hebrew, a tarmil, right, is actually a backpack, right? They would use this as a backpack. It's also the shell of the bullet, right? You have the bullet and you have the shell. It's also called tarmil, right? So these are, you can see it's the shell of the item. It's the pod of these chickpeas, right? So once these pods form around it, once these shells form around it, if it does before Rosh Hashanah, then it's considered last year's fruit. If not, then it will be considered the following year's. Rambam ends off over here saying that halacha is like Rabbi Shimon Shizuri, which is interesting, right? Because in last Mishnah, he said that all these items don't go according to when they take root. It goes according to when they actually ripen, right? So, yeah, I'm going to end off here. If anyone has an answer, you can text me on the side.